guys are be playing Teardown. See, I was going to hop right into this, so make sure you guys like and subscribe and get the link in the description for some merchandise. Today we're going to be using this minigun to absolutely destroy everything. Cause bro, look how much damage this thing does, bro. Like it's insane. See, I was going to hop right into this video, so make sure you guys like and subscribe and go and join the legendary squad and get some merchandise. So yeah. Like bro, this thing is insane, man. Like, dude, it does so much area of effect. What? It's okay. I should have said AOE because area of effect. Yeah, I'm dumb. Well, this thing is insane, bro. All right, can you click E? Can you click Q? Okay, no buttons work. All right. We also have a laser gun, which can practically burn through anything. Just like that. I want to see if I could just like burn, like fully go through this entire house. I imagine it's probably not possible, but you know, I'm gonna try it. I gotta completely destroy this wall right here. Yeti, what was that, bro? Kidding, bro. What was that? What do you mean you didn't do nothing? Bro, you did something. Kid. Alright, well, let's just keep lasering this house right here. Bro, am I dying? Oh, I'm just standing on fire. Okay, that's a huge fire now. Okay, I really don't want this to get bad. Is there still a fire? Bro! Oh god. Oh no. Bro, get me outside, dude. Bro, I gotta put this out. Okay, there is still a whole bunch of fire. Bro, get all this fire out, bro! Alright, there's no more fire. Well, that's good. Alright, well, let's continue completely lasering this house. You know, I think a faster way to do it is just gonna use the minigun. I mean, oh yeah, I should have used this. Oh yeah. This is so much easier. Yep. Let's just completely destroy this. Alrighty, and we should be done. And it's not collapsed yet. Oh wait, I gotta undo this. Alright, well, you could call this Minecraft now. I have no idea how this is floating. Oh. Okay, now you can really call this a Minecraft house. Bro, what the heck? Oh, never mind. Dude, what the heck? How is this thing floating? Yeah, I have no idea how this thing is floating. Well, anyways, guys, that's gonna be the end of our day's video. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. That's all for me, and I am out. Peace. Oh, wait. Never mind. Wait. Bro. Oh, wait. Are you kidding me? Alright, well, anyways, guys, that's gonna be the end for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. That's all for me, and I am out.